Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is your boy Scunny Rob, and welcome back to the channel. Woo! Sorry if I just blew up your headphones, but welcome back. I'm back, baby. I'm back. What's up? What's up? But we had a lot going on in the news in the last month, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. First thing first is we have to talk about this massive downfall we've been experiencing in the crypto market. A couple of you guys were texting me on Instagram, asking me what I thought was going on, if you guys should be worried about it, should I be selling, what's going on with this downturn. And I'm here to let you guys know that this collapse is 100% healthy and normal. There's absolutely nothing for you to worry about. Now, I'm not 100% sure what happened here, whether it's a bunch of FUD coming out of the financial news sector, the Luna situation, a combination of both. I'm not really too sure what caused this event, but it's safe to say this was most likely just another attack on us retail investors to get us spooked up from the big fishes. So what we're most likely seeing is just some heavy profit taking from these institutions and people. And in all honesty, we couldn't have asked for a better scenario. We have to remember to zoom out and look at this thing from a wider perspective. It's all about perspective. Despite the fact that we're down a big percentage right now, if you zoom out from May 2020 till now, we're still up a whole lot and we still have a lot of room to go, depending on when you got in the crypto market, of course. But we have to remember the longer we stay in this market, the wealthier we become. And I think that people are starting to finally realize that this isn't going to be a free ride to the top like they initially assumed. It's going to take some time, some bearish moments for us to get there, but that's going to build character for us and teach us how to be, long-term investors, which is the safest bet for us. However, if we stay true to what we know, we don't have much to worry about. If anything, you guys should be happy. We're in a bearish downturn right now. That just means we have more time to buy more crypto. So I'm telling you guys, this is what we want from the market. We have to start thinking like the big fishes, the big guys, these big institutions. Vechain was at 27 cents a couple months ago. Well, not even a couple of months ago. It was almost a year ago. It was April 2021. April 2021 was the last time, right? I'm just going to guess that. You guys can correct me in the comments, but that's a 9x sitting right in front of your face. I mean, 3 to 27, that's times 9. Now, what we need to be doing is busting our ass at our 9 to 5s, or if you're self-employed, you need to be, putting extra hours in. But you need to be busting your ass to build more capital to push this into your crypto investments. If you can make 10K right now before VeChain gets above 3 cents, you're looking at a 9x. That's 10K to 90K in however short of a period of time that happens. You understand what I'm saying? So we know how fast these cryptos can move, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss that X right there. So at this moment, what I would be doing is gathering more capital, more money to throw into my crypto, since I already know where we're going, and that's to the moon, baby. So moving along, Vechain has been working steadily to grow their presence in the European markets, going as far as to building a tech center in Dublin, a business center in Milan. And this is just more of a testament to Vechain's push and drive to be one of the top blockchain providers for businesses around the world. Europe and Asia are seeming to be a little more blockchain friendly than the US right now, but I believe that the US just wants us to think they're not doing anything. In all reality, behind closed doors, they have the whole system already set up. With us, it's just about a smooth rollout and just not sabotaging anything else that we have, air quotations, going on. So there's a lot of new businesses and old businesses in Europe and Asia that we could really capitalize off of and build more value. So I think that's what Vechain's attacking and going for right now. If we think about the automotive industry, the medicine industry, fashion, food, you name it, all of those big names come from overseas anyway. So Vechain is taking care of it in one of the most highly producing areas. Now, last time I talked to you guys, I told you we had to keep an eye out on Vechain in the Middle East, and now we still have to, but what we're seeing right now here is the completion of the Eurasian Alliance, and the next step I believe we're going to have to see is mass adoption. So we have a tweet here from Vechain just reiterating what I just went over. That's bookmark. Our blockchain enables sustainability, and carbon management tools will rapidly grow in the years ahead as we formally begin operations from the European mainland. Our established frameworks built in San Marino provide the perfect springboard for EU expansion. And in my opinion, this region is where most of the value will be coming for us. There's a lot of big companies out there already in the works with us: Walmart China, Bear, DB Schenker, BMW, the list goes on. But as we continue to build our strategic partners and our channel partners and our tech, I think we'll be able to see a whole bunch more and a whole much more happening for the Golden Goose. Now, speaking of partnerships, this is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Vechain has been continuously and just knocking us over our head, talking about AWS, Amazon, and how they're going to be helping us scale our carbon management platforms. And this is absolutely huge news for us. As we know, AWS is one of the top cloud providers. That was one of my first videos I did here on YouTube, talking about cloud providing and all that good stuff, and Azure, and in the battle between the cloud providers. And this will help us tremendously with onboarding and keeping new customers. If a company like Amazon's working with Vechain, that should easily legitimize us and let us know that we're the real deal. And it's only a matter of time before their value, Vechain I'm speaking of, is truly represented. Now, I have an article that explains this a little bit further, so let's take a quick look at that so we can get a better explanation. Amazon Web Services become technology partner to VCarbon, enabling international scale carbon management services. And then you have VCarbon. Following the launch of Shanghai Tantaland Technology Co. Limited, the company behind VCarbon, the Vechain Thor public blockchain, began an exciting new chapter on its mission to deliver blockchain-based carbon management services for countries and ultimately continents. In the second half of 2021, VCarbon piloted multiple successful use cases for its technology across a variety of industries and application scenarios. With colossal volumes of data expected to be generated from the platform in the years ahead, VCarbon inevitably requires large-scale storage and analytical solutions. Accordingly, we are delighted to share that Amazon Web Services has become a technical partner, helping enable VCarbon's grand ambitions. Now, what follows is a case study recently published by Amazon Web Services about VCarbon. With their assistant technical guidance and established robust cloud service platform, VCarbon will be able to deliver the scale, analytical capability, and security needed to deliver a national scale, multi-industry, multi-million dollar, I should add, carbon management platform. If a company's doing all this for a startup blockchain company, that should tell you something about the people behind this Vechain. You know, that should speak for itself. Now, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you guys still may be wondering, great, Rob, we're partnering with one of the most wealthiest companies in the world. Why does this really even matter? And it should be kind of self-explanatory. Not only will it legitimize Vechain, but sustainability is one of the top 3 agendas, maybe even top 1, maybe number 1 agenda for the controlling elite. We can't forget about the UN Sustainable Development Goals. We can't forget about the World Economic Forum and them talking about sustainability, and Klaus Schwab saying we're not going to own anything, we're going to rent everything. And Dr. Evil. So Vechain, like the geniuses they are, knowing what's coming for the future, are trying to align themselves with those people, those strategic people. And I don't really blame them. Some people think this is just another way for the controlling elites to control our lives. But some people agree with the WEF and think we should be doing something about sustainability. So whatever side you land on, great. But as far as the elites are concerned, this is happening whether we like it or not. And unless we're planning to overthrow the elites, which I don't think is happening anytime soon, we should just play along, ride in our Trojan horse, and make some money. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go give me a follow on all my social platforms, link in the description below, and tell your friends and family that Vechain is the golden goose. I'll see you next time.
This one for the old me. I was getting back to them. They was trying to hold